Y'all know who it is. JJ, you know, back at it like an addict, no rehab, because you know I'm addicted to give you guys advice. Let me raise this window down. So, you know, we're here back at the auction, picking up vehicle number 2. It's a 2003 Chevy Trailblazer. Yeah, look at that pretty. They got 2 different sets of rims on there. Don't know why, but it is what it is. You know, paint's kind of faded. I don't know. Yeah, it's just paint. So they got those rims on the back. And they got a spare. Nope. So. Nope, no spare. So they got 2 matching rims on the back, 2 matching ones on the front. So, but yeah, it's a 2003 190 4-wheel drive. What's going on with you, man? Oh yeah, got me one.
That's right.
See how she can go. Got to take it on the road and see.
That's right.
Look like they cleaned it up. I wish they didn't switch up the rims on me like that. Let me go fix my mirror over here. You know, I got to drive safely. You know, safe driving. But it ain't too bad. Probably go to the pull parts and scoop me a headlight. Yeah, probably scoop me a headlight. Ain't no point in having one good looking headlight and not. Show you. This one's good. And this one's just a little cracked up. Yeah, it's cracked up. Just might as well just go to pull parts. I know it's a lot of these out there. A little damage right there. Paid like $800. So I got the buyer shit stuff $800. So I think it'll be fairly good. Selling for like $1,800. You know. It depends on how it's running, you know. You know, $1,800, $2,000. You know, just because the paint's a little faded. I know people will complain about that. Oh yeah, let me show y'all too. Food, you know, when you come pick up the cars on the Wednesday, on the next day, you know, you can get that good old food in your system. You know, fresh chicken sandwich. Fries, some good old fries. Yeah, I know you need some gas. I'll put some gas in you. What's up, man?
Oh, you got the Trailblazer with the screen in it?
Oh yeah, man. What'd I do with that paper? Okay. Wish they didn't switch up the rims on me, or at least they would have had all 4 rims. You know, instead of 2 on the front, 2 on the back. But you know, you gotta live with it.
Yeah,
It's gonna sell though. You got. Did my brother already come out of here?
Yeah, he already left.
All right. They already gone. Let me go grab me some gas though. Let me see where he at. There you go. He must have already dipped the battery here. Oh well, I'll catch up with him. Everybody always seeing, you gotta see that. Let me get up out of here though. See. Okay, shit. No service lights, you just need some gas. Okay, first shift, second shift. Let's go get that suit. Okay. Got all the shifts in there. My shifts in there. Is that the DVD? Woohoo! Got a drop down. I know people probably don't even use them, but you know, people should probably use them. You know, get the kids off the tablet. Put a little DVD in there, but you know. Put some gas in this thing. This thing ain't too bad. Got a little drop down screenage. Fresh oil in there. Fresh oil, they freshly detailed. Like they got the little mat in there, freshly detailed, cleaned up the back seats. You know. Oh man, really ain't nothing for me to do except take some pictures and post. Put some gas in here, take pictures and post. I'm gonna drive it all the way to the lot because I did have to jump in, you know, I gotta jump it. I'm gonna drive it to the lot, you know, see if the battery charge up and stuff, you know, probably set it at the lot, let it run for like 30 minutes, you know, make sure the battery is good, you know, make sure it ain't overheating or anything like that. You know, look up under, make sure I don't see any see if I don't see anything leaking, like a valve cover or something like that. And they cleaned up the outside. They just cleaned out